Hi loves, welcome back to my channel, Vlogmas Day 7. So y'all, as you can see, I am at the beach on Vlogmas Day 7 at the beach. My view right now is so gorgeous. It's really just a relaxing day, y'all. I don't really have anything Christmassy going on. I'm out here with my best friend and her family. Her son has a birthday today, so well, his birthday's on the 8th, but he wanted to go to the beach for his birthday, so we're here. He was like, Mom, I want to go to Miami. I'm like, okay, you going to Miami? So I'm like, yes, I'm going to the beach. Like, why not? So like, who goes to the beach in December? So I'm super duper excited, y'all. Just out here chilling, relaxing. Really, it's just like a much needed relaxation type of day. So I'm chilling. I'm gonna show y'all the setup, and then I'm gonna show you guys the beach. Okay, this is our little setup, y'all. I had a struggle putting this thing up, so we have to make a little mountain for our umbrella, and then we have these baby chairs. Don't judge us. We just got this, you know. We didn't even buy it. We just like whatever we got in storage. This is what we got going on. So, and then the kids didn't bring. They got their little tent over here. They didn't bring no towels and nothing. They just want to be in the beach the whole time at the beach. Say hi.
Hey, yo, what's up, man? You know,
say hi to my vlog.
go subscribe to me on YouTube, Drippy.T1.
Wait, what's your YouTube channel?
Drippy.T1, D-R-I-P-P-Y.
Okay.
The way is dangerous.
Wait, I can't see the sun in the way. You said they dangerous?
Yes.
Y'all having a good time?
Yes. You know?
Hey. Nice. This is the view, y'all. That's my thumbnail.
No, let me do it.
Well, no, you flipping off both hands like so.
Oh, that's cute.
I can hit it back. I can put it off his head. You can put that on one side.
All right, y'all. He buried y'all. All right, let me see if you can get up. All right, you can chill. Y'all, best friend, she back.
Hey, y'all.
Back to the vlog.
Vlogger! Hi there!
Hold on. How are things?
Great!
Y'all, we out here chilling at the beach.
Girl, yes, I'm drinking my coffee.
Hot coffee, relaxing.
Coffee.
Yes. All right, Bessie, what we got? Some hunch punch?
Hunched it on now.
Hunch, 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 hunch. Okay, where my bottle at? All right, y'all. When y'all go to the beach, this is what you gotta do. They will never know. They will never know. hey, hey, yay, 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 yay.
Hey, hey, hey.
Y'all, I literally just fell playing football. I'm gonna show y'all some clips of us just throwing the football around or whatever. But my wrist definitely hurts. Even though I'm right-handed, for some reason my left hand just started hurting and my right shoulder hurt. Y'all, I'm too old for this. But I want y'all to look at the sunset. Well, the sun's down now, but the sky is really pretty. So yeah, I'll let you guys see my little view. Almost everybody left the beach, which is kind of perfect because it's getting dark. So all the kids and everybody just went to the bathroom, so I'm just out here by myself, just, you know, looking at the beach, relaxing and just listening to the waves. I love the sound of waves. Like sometimes I even use this, like the sound of waves, to go to sleep at night. It's very, very calming. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this little clip of the beach. Okay, y'all, I am back. Excuse my hair. I got so much sand in my hair that I just need to wash it when I get in the shower. But I wanted to close out this video. I hope you guys liked the little mini vlog that we went to the beach today. And I'll see you guys in Vlogmas Day 8. Deuces.